Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is to find the limit. We have three limits in here and I will show the technique how to answer all of them. We have the formula. So we say that capital A is about the function in here and we have b to the power of c. So just like b is inside the bracket and c is about the power, just like this. Now I will show the technique how to answer. We will use about the logarithm base e of a. So we have the logarithm of b to the power of c. So we will go about c multiply with the logarithm of b in here. So we will use the first question in here to illustrate. So we have b is about this one, c is about this one. So if we will use about this technique in here, so we will do about the logarithm of this function. And we go about 1 minus the square root of n to the power of 3 multiply with the logarithm of this one. Then we need to find the limit. When n approach to positive infinity, now we need to analyze. In this one, we can divide in the numerator and denominator by n. So 4 divided by n, you got about 4. About 3 n divided by n, you got about 3. We know that the limit of this one, they go to 0. This one go to 0. Next, we know that this is go to the positive, but we have the negative. So everything in here, they will go to the negative infinity. And the logarithm of 4 over 3, you got about, the number is 0.287 something. So the limit for this one, we have the negative infinity and the 0.287, you got about negative infinity. So after we calculate this one, we have this one. Because we do about the logarithm, so we need to put about e in here. So we got about e to the power of negative infinity. So because that's about the negative infinity, they go to 0. So we can find the limit in here of this one. They will go to 0. Because we know this is about 0, so this will go to 0 at the same time. Similar for this one, we apply for the same format. So we put the logarithm in here, and now we put this one in here, this one in this one. Now we find the limit for this one. in this situation, because n to positive infinity, so the sign will tend go to 0, so this will go to 0 in here. Now because we have n factorial, it go to the positive infinity, this one go to the positive infinity too, and that's about 0.572. So this is about positive and positive, so we got about positive infinity. So we have this one is about positive, because e to the power of the positive, so they go to the positive. So the limit for this one, they will go to the positive infinity. And the last one, now we find the limit for this one. So we divide both sides in the numerator and denominator by n to the power of 2. So this one you got about 3, this one you got about 3, and to the positive infinity, so this one go to 0, 0. 3 divided by 3, you got about 1. We know that logarithm of the number 1, you got about 0. So in here, we change to 0. E to the power of 0, you got about 1. And we can find the final answer in here. They will go to number 1. That's the end. Thank you for watching.